here's another AI tool that's completely free for you that you might want to use because it's connected to Bing and ChatGPT 4, but also it gives you a couple other features that I'm going to show you that's really helpful for content creation, especially because all of these programs and stuff, like the subscription costs really add up because all of them are like by subscription. So like I try to find the ones that are the most affordable or the ones that are free and sharing it with you. So I'm going to share with you how you can actually get Bing ChatGPT 4 for free. Here we're at Bing Chat, and basically it's not available online anymore. So you're gonna click on chat right here. And so basically you can access the AI powered Copilot by downloading Microsoft Edge. Over here, it'll show you what type you have. Like I have a Mac, so I just downloaded this and set it up. And so now I'm going to show you what it actually looks like once it's downloaded. So just follow the instructions. It's super, super simple. I already have it downloaded on here, so I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge for me. And so this is what it's going to look like, but mostly it looks exactly the same, but you're going to go over here. And just FYI, the best thing you can do is make a free Outlook account because it's going to make you like sign up and do all that stuff. Your personal like Outlook account over here connected. So basically this little bar over here is magic, and I'm gonna show you why. So the first one is you'll click on this and it has Bing Chat. So basically you can ask it anything. This is connected with ChatGPT 4. So if you didn't know, there's two different types of ChatGPT. So there's ChatGPT 3.5, which is free, and ChatGPT 4, which costs $20 a month, but it's completely free with Bing ChatGPT. So basically you can ask it anything, and it's connected to the internet, so it's up to date with most of the research, because ChatGPT 3.5 only is updated up to like 2020 or 2021 with their data and their information. So this is more accurate for you. Now you have another AI thing that you can go over here and compose. You can compose different things like a paragraph, an email, a blog post, ideas. You can ask what you're looking for and it can change the tone, and you can add different tones here. You can create a different length for it and generate a draft, okay? And then you can preview your content down here. So this is really, really cool. Okay, so going on to the other features, we're gonna go to Microsoft 365. So the coolest thing about Microsoft Edge is you actually get access to Microsoft 360 for free. So that means you have Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote, all of these things here, and you have access with it with a free Outlook email account. I think that's a really cool feature for Microsoft Edge that I don't think most people talk about. And then of course you have your Outlook email, and then you have a Dropbox. And then here's another AI tool, which I already shared about, and I'll put it in the captions, but this is Microsoft Designer. So they have it automatically on this whole thing right here. So you can describe an image right here and it'll generate an image. So it could either generate an image for you like here, okay, or it can generate a design like a Facebook ad, an Instagram post, whatever it is you're looking for, or even a post, like a poster, okay, and you can generate these things and then it'll open Designer automatically. So it's really a cool feature that you can use. Like there's so many AI tools bundled into Microsoft Edge. So I just think it's such a cool feature to have this. I know Microsoft is trying to make a comeback. It does own 75% of OpenAI, or that's what I've heard. And so I'm excited to see where else it goes. I mean, I wish that they could actually open the little panel a little bit larger. Maybe they can, and I don't know because I'm still new to this feature as well. But if this was helpful, go ahead and hit the follow button.